Assalamualaikum students, we were discussing the Marconics of rule, and here why the halogen, that is the negative part of this reagent, will go to this central carbon atom as compared to the terminal carbon atom. This can be explained with the help of mechanism that is carried out right now. Okay. So, what would happen during the mechanism, that always keep in mind alkene have the nucleophilic character, mean it is always in attacking form. However, in the case of HX, this reagent, it is partial positive, and because it is more electronegative atom as compared to hydrogen, it is traversing the electron density towards it, then it will be electronegative. It means that this double bond having the high electron density, it will attack over this electropositive center, and these electron will shift over the halogen. Let me explain this again. This double bond will attack over this hydrogen atom, and this bond will shift over the halogen. Okay. This will result what? It will result in the formation of this intermediate RCH2. Okay. Out of these carbon atoms 1 and 2, we can make these two carbocation. If H is getting attached with the terminal carbon atom, we will have positive charge over it. Okay. It is known as secondary carbocation. Okay. Secondary carbocation means that whenever there is positive charge over this carbon atom, it is further attached with two main alkyl groups. Okay. And another option is this, the hydrogen will attach with the central carbon atom, in this case RCH2 and CH2 positive. It is known as what? It is known as primary carbocation. Got it? So, these are the two carbocations. In the first step, these two carbocations form. However, the stability of secondary carbocation is more as compared to the stability of primary carbocation. So, we can say that in this reaction only the secondary carbocation will form, not the primary carbocation. Therefore, I am going to remove this. Hope this is clear to all of you, right? So, always keep in mind that whenever you are going to add this unsymmetrical reagent across this unsymmetrical alkene, then always attach hydrogen over that carbon atom, doubly bonded carbon atom, which has more number of hydrogen atom. Okay. In the second step, what we will do, that this intermediate will be attacked by another nucleophile. Out of firstly it was nucleophile and it was the electrophile. Okay. And in this particular step, it is now electrophile because it is carrying the positive charge. Now it is not in the state of being attacking position. Okay. So we have halide ion as from the created from the above. So what would happen? It will attack over this electropositive center, and it will result in the formation of this compound. Hope this is clear to all of you, that how instead of primary carbocation, instead of primary alkyl halide, we will always form the secondary alkyl halide. And in some of the alkenes, if there is more substitution over here, it means that in that case, instead of secondary, we will form the tertiary alkyl halides. So according to stability rule, always keep in mind the negative part of reagent will go to that carbon atom which has less hydrogen, or you can say that the positive part of the reagent will go to that carbon atom which has more number of hydrogen atoms. You can take its definition in both way. In both of these it will be considered as correct. Hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you.